How to create a list on Kindle. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a new list. First of all, open the application. So this interface will pop up. Now here on the right bottom, you can see this more icon. Simply tap on this more icon. So here, these are the settings available. Now you'll be able to see the option called your list. Simply tap on it. Now here on the right top, you'll be able to see the button called create a list. Simply tap on it. Now here you can create a list name. Here you can even name the privacy to public or private. So here tap on or create a new name. So here I'm writing one, and here I've been choosing private. Simply tap on create list. So a new list has been created. So in this store I can directly import or keep different type of books so that others can read. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.